Okay, so let's dive into how you can send bulk personalized emails using Google Sheets and Gmail. This is by using our Google Sheets CRM, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. Essentially, with this platform, you can simply manage all your contacts, leads, and customers, as well as manage all your tasks, inventory, tickets, and your sales pipeline. Not only this, but you can engage in email marketing and send bulk personalized emails to your contacts. This Google Sheets CRM template is connected with all your favorite Google apps. And one of those apps is your Gmail app. Now, following this tutorial, if you want to dive into more features that this Sheetify CRM has to offer, then I'll add the relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description. Okay, so quickly, how can you actually send bulk emails? Well, all you need to do is add your contacts in here. You can see the details over here like full name, first name, company, email, address, phone number, and more fields across here. Then all you need to do to engage in email marketing is select the emails or the contacts that you want to send your emails to. Then navigate up to Sheetify, then come down to email marketing and select the email campaign that you want to send to your contacts. And it's as simple as that. However, we first want to customize one of these email templates before sending a personalized email campaign to our contacts. To do that, simply navigate down the page and locate email templates. And let's take a look at this email template here, invoice email. And you can see we have a subject here, as well as the body content over here that we can customize the way that we like. Now let's go ahead and personalize this email campaign by adding personalized details as well as personalized links. That way, when we send this email campaign to our contacts, it will be personalized to our recipients. Okay, so let's first go ahead and customize the email subject. Now, what I'm going to do is delete this and then remove due, and I want to add a personalized company tag. That means when I send this email, the subject line will be personalized to each recipient. Okay, to do that, simply navigate down the page and locate settings. And then what we want to do is navigate across and locate email marketing settings. And this is the code that we can use to personalize our emails. For example, do we want to generate the recipient's phone, name, source, email address, business type, company name, or a personalized link? For example, if we use phone and we use this code here, that's going to pull in the phone number, and you can see an example over here. And these are the first line results in our contacts and leads page. So this data is being generated from this page over here. Let's navigate across to contacts and leads, and you can see this data over here being pulled in to our settings page. Okay, let's head back over to settings. And what I want to do is take company name. So all I'm going to do is copy this and then navigate back over to email templates and then double click on this email template subject line here and paste in the code here. And I'm going to add invoices for company name. And so this code is going to generate the correct company name based on the contacts that we want to send this email to. Okay, now let's navigate over to body and let's customize the body of this invoice email template. Okay, so as you can see, we have hi name, and this is going to pull in the name of our contacts. Let's navigate back over to settings. Now we can change this if we like. If we want to pull in the full name, we can do that. However, we just want to pull in the first name so that our emails are less formal. Okay, so let's head back to email templates and double click here, and let's see what else we want to change. I hope you're well. Please see all linked invoices for your company. And I'm going to delete this and add in the company tag. Again, that's going to pull in the company name. Then down here we have watch how to generate your own invoices here using our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. Okay, so I want to add 2 links in here. I'm going to delete here and then navigate up to this code, and I'm going to copy this code here. And essentially what that's going to allow us to do is hyperlink our text. Again, come down to this template, and in here I'm going to paste in that code. Then I'm going to add the text in here, which is just going to be here, and this is the text that's going to be hyperlinked. And then all we need to do is add the link in here where it says add link. Now I'm just going to add a link to this particular video. And this video will show our clients how they can generate their own invoices with our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. Okay, so as you can see, I've pasted in that YouTube video link in here. And I'll show you what this looks like shortly when we send this email campaign to our contacts. Then what I'm going to do is hit Command Enter twice and then add view all your invoices here. Now let's go ahead and add a personalized link. Simply come back up here and this time copy this code up here, then navigate back over to your template. And what we're going to do is remove here and paste in this code with this text. Again, I'm going to change this to here, and this is the text that's going to be hyperlinked with the personalized link from here. So let's understand the mapping for media link. Simply head back over to settings and you can see media link over here. And that's going to pull in the data from this column over here, media and files. And you can see an example over here. So let's have a look at media and files on our contacts and leads interface. Let's navigate across and you can see media and files. And these are the links that are going to be pulled into that email campaign. And what I've done here is added links to our Google Drive and the particular folder that hosts all the invoices for these specific companies. So this is a Google Drive folder that has all of the invoices associated to Fishing Gear & Co. And then up here, we have a folder for all the invoices related to Donut Paradise. Okay, so let's navigate back over to email templates and click on invoice email. And then down here we have, if I do not hear from you, I'll give you a call on this number. So I'm going to add a space here and then navigate back over to settings and then locate the phone number column. Here we have the code, copy this, and then navigate back over to email templates and then paste in that code where you want to add the personalized phone number. That again will be pulled in from contacts and leads and this column over here. Okay, let's navigate back over to email templates and it looks like we're ready to send this email campaign. Okay, so with this email campaign, if we navigate over to subject, this is our subject, invoices for company name, and that's going to pull in the company name. Then for the email campaign itself, you can see we have the name tag over here. That's going to pull in the first name of the contact. Then we can pull in the company name here. Then we also added this link over here, which is for adding links and hyperlinking specific text. Then down here, what we did is we want the email recipient to be able to see all their invoices. And so we added this link in here, adding personalized links, and it was this code over here. And essentially what that's going to do is pull in the custom link from media and links. And under this column for each of our contacts, that's going to be generated. Okay, let's navigate back over to email templates. And then we have the phone number tag over here, which is going to pull in the phone number. Now to send this custom email, let's navigate back over to contacts and leads. Then simply select here next to the contact that you want to send the bulk email campaign to. Now you can also highlight all of these and hit the spacebar, and that's going to select all of these contacts. And in a few clicks, we can send that personalized email campaign, that email template to all of these contacts. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove all of these, and I just want to send a personalized bulk email campaign to this individual and this individual here. Then all we need to do is navigate up to Sheetify, email marketing, and then choose the template that we just customized. For me, that was send invoice email. Click on the email template that you want to send. You'll see this notification. Are you sure you want to send a invoice email? Click on yes. And just like that, you sent 2 invoice emails. Now let's go ahead and see what these emails look like inside our recipient's inbox. And as you can see, from Stuart Gould, invoices for Donut Paradise. So you can see this name has been personalized based on the contact's information on our database. Let's click here. Again, you can see we have the first name pulled in here, as well as the company name over here, and then we have a link that we added. Remember, this was not a personalized link. If we click on here, that's going to take us to the YouTube video. Then down here, the recipient can click on this link here, view all your invoices here, and that's going to take them to a specific folder. Let's click here. And as you can see, the recipient can now see all of their invoices. Pretty cool, right? Let's head back to that email. And down here, you can see the recipient's phone number. And then the email signature has been pulled in here. We can also see the 2 attachments. These are the 2 links, the Google Drive folder with the invoices and the YouTube video that we linked up here. And you can see a comparison with the other email that we sent to a different recipient. This personalized information is different based on that contact's data. And that is how you can send personalized emails using Gmail and Google Sheets. And this is using our platform Sheetify CRM, which is just a one-time purchase, no subscriptions. Again, if you want to learn more about our Sheetify CRM and how you can engage in email marketing and other features, I will add the relevant resources down below. Also, if you're interested in learning how to generate invoices using our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, again, I'll add the relevant tutorial down below in the description. Now let's navigate back to our Sheetify CRM. And inside our Sheetify CRM, let's navigate back over to settings. Now what you can do is change your email name if you like, and you can add any name that you want to appear in your recipient's inbox. However, that is it for this tutorial. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.